Hi friends, I'm Sajid. Welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'll be comparing the display of the Realme X7 Pro versus the Honor 9X Pro device. As you can see, friends, so this can be the best comparison with the Honor phones, which has the LTPS IPS LCD panel. The Realme X7 Pro has got the Super AMOLED panel, and a few of the subscribers they want to know that how the Super AMOLED panel in the Realme phone will compare to the LTPS IPS LCD panel technology. So which the Honor phones and few of the LG phones they will be using this kind of technology, which is slightly higher than the IPS LCD panel. So the LTPS IPS LCD will be coming in between the IPS LCD and the AMOLED panels. In between the Honor phones will be there in terms of the display. So right now I'll try to demonstrate by comparing the same video side by side. So we'll get to know which phone has a better contrast, saturation levels, and more brightness as well. And before starting the video, friends, and if you are watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and also to check the links in the description for exactly what wallpapers I'm using right now. So as you can see, this is a live wallpaper, and not only that, there's plenty of smartphone playlist as well. So try to check the links in description for more details about the smartphone playlist, and that will be very helpful for you if you are planning to buy any smartphones. So let's get started, friends. Quickly let me try to go through the display specifications. So LTPS panel and the Super AMOLED panel, and 120 Hz refresh rate, and there is no higher refresh rate in this Honor phone. And next thing is that 6.67 inches screen size and 6.53 inches screen size of the Realme X7. I'm not sure 5.3 or 5.5. So this is the screen size of this Realme X7 Pro. So Realme X7 Pro definitely slightly small phone, and also not that too wide as well. So whereas the Honor phone feels kind of wider as well, as you can see here if you compare both phones. So let me try to quickly show you the height difference. So there's nothing much height difference, friends, between both of the phones. So it's quite same to each other, but slightly the Realme phone is slightly smaller, and even in terms of the width as well, I do feel the Realme phone is slightly slimmer as well in terms of the width. And this is a quick comparison, friends, in terms of the display size and what technologies they are using. And now let me get back to the video which I'm going to demonstrate you. As you can see, friends, I am playing the same video in both the smartphones, and the top one is the Honor phone and the bottom one is a Realme X7 Pro. And this punch hole is the only difference where how you can differentiate between the both the smartphones. So as you can see, friends, if you compare side by side, so one thing I did notice is that Honor phone LTPS IPS LCD panel, this comes very close to the AMOLED panel, friends. So overall in my experience, right, even if I see exactly this moment, I can feel the Honor phone is slightly coming close to this Realme X7 Pro device in terms of the display colors and contrast levels. So sometimes even the Honor phone feels much more brighter than this Realme X7 Pro, but the Realme X7 Pro has got slightly higher contrast level and the saturation levels. If you notice these clouds going on over there. So there's a very minute difference, friends, when it comes to these Honor phones versus the Super AMOLED panels. So if there is any IPS LCD panels, definitely I would recommend the AMOLED panels only, and even you can notice a lot of difference. But in this Honor LTPS IPS LCD panels, you won't be able to notice much of the difference when you compare with the AMOLED panels like this. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, for more this kind of interesting videos in case if you want to know. So let me need to decrease the brightness to 10. As you can see, at 10 brightness, I do feel the Honor phone is slightly brighter than Realme X7 Pro. I'm not sure why, but this is what I feel. And I'm using the full brightness in both the smartphones, friends, at the moment. So a full screen experience you do have in this Honor phone, and whereas in the Realme X7 Pro you do get this kind of small punch hole. But our main focus is only on the screen quality. Then definitely both phones are really close to each other, and in some scenarios Honor phone is definitely the best. This LTPS technology, not the Honor phone, maybe this LTPS IPS LCD panel technology which the Honor is using, that is the best one. So I'm not sure why the Poco X3 or another smartphones, why they are not doing this kind of thing, choosing the LTPS IPS LCD panel instead of normal IPS panel. They could have done with the LTPS panel. It would have made a lot of much sense as well. So this is a quick display comparison, friends, between the both the smartphones. And final conclusion is that Honor phone is also quite good and close to the Realme X7 Pro display. So there is nothing much difference apart from the physical hardware like 120 Hz and Super AMOLED and small display with full screen experience in the Honor phone. And thank you for watching this video, friends. For more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my channel, SciTech Guru. Bye.